Good morning, guys. I hope everyone's doing good. I hope you guys got outside yesterday and enjoyed some beautiful weather. It was amazing. Caden and I went on a long walk and decided to walk up to the shaved ice place and got some smoothies. So that was lots of fun. But let's go ahead and get started. So today, oops, I already clicked it. Today is Wednesday, which means it's What's Happening Wednesday. So we will have that coming soon. The article is Stress Awareness Month. Kind of fitting, right? Well, especially for parents, maybe it'll have some good insight on how to deal with all these added stressors we got going on and everything. But it is Wednesday. So if today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday. Nice. And the month is April. And today is the 8th. And so it is April 8th, 2020. Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. All right. And today it's supposed to be sunny most of the day. They said the air quality, like if you walk outside, it's going to be kind of funny smelling and kind of funny to breathe because of the burning that is going on the prairie lands, like out on the plains area. But so sunny and nice and warm again. Yay for nice, warm, sunny weather. I don't have a current event because we're doing What's Happening Wednesday, so I didn't want to overload you guys with stuff. What I did for the choice board, I did the kindness challenge. So I wrote a note or drew a picture to someone I miss. So here is my note. I miss my students. I miss you guys. I miss seeing your faces and the giggles and the hugs and all of that. I even miss some of the orneriness and the I don't feel like working moments, but I miss you guys. I hope everyone is doing good in this crazy time and hanging in there. But you guys stay healthy. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later.